Me myself, Deved Mande, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government First Grade College, Kodi. As earlier classes, we studied regarding capital formation and economic development, how it helps to in economic in development status, all those things. In present classes, we will discuss about role of agriculture in economic development. As you know, India the dominancy high in agriculture sector. It's more than 50%. So with this, because of this dominancy, it's very needed for the economic development. Agriculture sector plays a vital role in the process of economic development of a country, either it may be developed, developing, or underdeveloped. According to Dr. Bright Singh, increase in agriculture production and the rise in the per capita income of the rural economy, the rural community, together with the industrialization and urbanization, lead to an increased demand in industrial production. So, what is the role means? Agriculture sector is the backbone of an economy which provides the basic ingredients to mankind and now raw materials for industrialization. Main roles are contribution to national income. Agricultural prosperity contributed considerably in forecasting economic development. Sources of food supply. Agriculture is the basic source of food supply of all the countries of the world. Increase in demand for food in an economy is determined by the following equation. As you know, D is equal to P plus 2G. Free requisite for raw material. Agricultural advancement is necessary for improving the supply of raw materials for the agro-based industries, especially in developing countries. Provision of surplus. The progress in agriculture sector provides surplus for increasing the exports of agricultural products. Shift of manpower. The release of surplus manpower from the agriculture sector is necessary for the progress of agriculture sector and expanding the non-agriculture sector. Creation of infrastructure. The development of agriculture require roads, market ads, storage, transportation, etc. Relief from shortage of capital. This sector requires less capital for its development, thus it minimizes growth problem of foreign capital. Helpful to reduce inequality. The prosperity of agriculture would raise the income of the majority of the rural population and thus the disparity in income may be reduced to a certain extent. Increase in economic welfare. By the increase in rate of agriculture production, public is getting more facilities. So it helps to increase in economic welfare. Less dependence on foreign capital. Process of agriculture production increases dependence on internal sources. Create effective demand. The development of agriculture sector would tend to increase the purchasing power of agriculturists, which will help the growth of the non-agriculture sector of the country. So helpful in phasing out economic depression, it continues to create effective demand even during adverse conditions of the economy. Contribution to capital formation. In the initial stages of economic development, it is agriculture that constitutes a significant source of capital formation. So, contribution to capital formation by producing agricultural things. Employment opportunities for rural people, more than 70% total labor force depends upon agriculture. Extension of market for industrial output, improving rural welfare, and all those. So, by these 16 points, we conclude that for the economic development, like India are developing or underdeveloped countries, agriculture plays a vital role because it's a production function, it's a consuming function, it's a transaction function, and also it's a distributing function. So, product it's a productive main factor. That's why it's a